The lace, super soft. Okay, the part. I have to tweeze it just a little bit. So let's get started. Hey guys, so I wanted to talk to you really quick about Janet Collection's wig Oscar. This unit is so big and so full. It's almost too much hair, and it's almost too much hair for 90-degree weather. Today was my graduation, and before I take all of this off and literally lay it down, because I've been up since 5:30 and didn't go to sleep till 1:30, I just wanted to go over like graduation and what I wore and everything. So just to give you like some options, because I'm cheap and I don't want to spend a lot. Let's start from top. Olive. Pretty. Okay, not Olive, I'm sorry, Oscar. Whole lot of hair. Whole bunch of hair. Okay? Whole bunch of hair. When stretched, probably like 16 inches. It's really not that long, but it's extremely full. When you brush her out, you get these curls, and the curls just will not drop, which I guess would be good. I feel like this is more of like a fall winter type of wig. You will get some snags, you will get some tangling, not too much shedding, but I did go and pluck the hairline, trying to make it look more natural, and then I used the got to be glue to like glue it down. But I was in such a rush this morning, I did not glue it down good enough. Like, I used my blow dryer, but not enough, so I could feel it lifting. And like, I graduated around 11 this morning, and it's almost, I can't tell, whatever, because this watch is not even, whatever, you know. It's been hours later, and I could feel like it's shifting. You see? So I tried to do like the whole baby hair thing. And I mean, here's the part. The part was really nice. I didn't pluck too much out of the part. It was pretty decent. But when I say this wig is full, it's almost like, I feel like I'm being smothered. And with the heat, it's like even worse. See, like a lot of snags and tangles. But it went well. It was giving me like Olivia Pope vibes. This and the dress that I'm about to show you. Hair was let's just say $25 off of Wig Types. Delivery was a little bit slow this time, and I was kind of getting nervous because I definitely needed my unit for graduation. So yeah, pretty full. This is a color 1B. Adjustable straps, big head friendly, because it could shift a lot. And I have it adjusted. Adjustable straps, comb right here, and comb in the back that I'm not using just because I glued it down. So yes, extremely full, and I'm thinking about straightening her just because it's like so much. It's just so much. It's just so much, and it's getting hot. Like, we didn't have spring. We went straight from winter to summer, and now it's hot. So this is a lot of hair. A lot of hair. Okay, as far as jewelry, this little charm bracelet is from Bryant. It has like a heart little key on it or whatever. This watch is my Invicta watch. I actually got this for graduation for my first degree, and I don't really wear it that much just because it is super big, and I don't have anywhere to go that I need to be wearing an attention grabbing watch like this. So I decided that Graduation would be a good one. So that's this watch. Invicta, couple hundred. Watch literally was like probably like less than $10. My nails, I kind of like them, kind of don't. Kind of like them, kind of don't. I like them better in the sun, and just natural lighting is kind of like whatever, not a big deal. But I've been getting a lot of compliments on them. This is gel. This is a gel manicure, $35 at the place that I went. I'm not too sure if I want to give them a name just because that was my first time going. My mom goes there a lot, but it was my first time going. Gel manicure, full set. This color is called Clear Pink 441, I think. Clear Pink. It's really pretty. Like, I mean, it's pretty, but then it's like okay, you know, like it's simple. It's not what I wanted. I wanted the two-tone ombre powder. I got a picture on my phone. That's what I wanted, and they told me $70 just for the hands, and I still need my feet done. And I'm not too pleased with my pedicure because I can still feel like a little bit of skin that could have been scraped off. Anyway, Clear Pink. No necklace. Earrings are from the beauty supply. Nothing fancy because I had some really nice studs, like really nice, pretty, perfect size, everyday studs, but still looks good on like a special occasion. Lost one of them down the drain. That's just what it is. I'm not buying no more. My dress. Let's move to the dress. Okay, my dress. Let me bend down. This is the Boohoo Taylor midi dress in the mink color. You can wear this off the shoulder if you want, but I just didn't have the patience for that today. So yes, it's form fitting. I do have Spanx on. Spanx were $40. I've been had these. These are the short versions. So yeah, can't see them at all. And then I also have Cacique, which is a brand by Lane Bryant. I have their seamless underwear on as well. So yeah, very cute, very form fitting, makes my butt look amazing, make me look like I have a waist. Okay, very, very cute. I love this dress, and I'm thinking about ordering some more just because it just fits me so good, and it's just so good looking. Like, it's just a perfect fit. Like the waist, the faux wrap waist, the bubble sleeve, the option to do off the shoulder or not, and then this big fluffy hair just made it just set it all off. Just set it all off. Also, my strapless bra, which I will not be showing you, is also from Cacique, which again is the Lane Bryant lingerie and undergarments line. I got the bra, the panty, and the Spanx all from Lane Bryant from when I used to work there a while ago. Spanx $40. Seamless underwear are usually 3 for $33. Like, I know the prices. 3 for $33, or they're like anywhere from like $13 to $18 depending on the style you get. Bra, for a strapless bra, probably like close to 40 to 50, in between there. And I don't really remember because I had a discount. So yes, lashes, that's what I wanted to talk about. These lashes, my cousins thought they were like mink. These are fake mink lashes. I think I have a clip of it somewhere. So yeah, they look pretty good. I think they're pretty, and it's a strip. Lips. For lips, I wore the Buxom lip gloss in Serena with a Nika K brown lip liner and then cream cup in the middle. But this is pretty pigmented, so it kind of washed out the cream cup, but it was still pretty. It lasted quite a while, and it's a lip plumper, so it gave me like that effect or whatever. What else? For the sandals that I'm wearing right now, out of pure comfort, and I've already scratched them up. Not surprised. Oh my god, I really scratched them. Are these bamboo slides that I got from Urban OG. Super cute. Came in this nude taupe and gold colorway. My family and friends came, kicked it. I'm tired, my allergies, I've been drinking, I'm tipsy, I'm tired, my allergies, I'm ready to go to sleep. So yes, I wanted to show you guys how to have a successful, you know, look graduation as far as like outfit and hair and makeup and stuff. Anybody wondering what the foundation I'm wearing, it is a mix of Maybelline Dewy foundation as well as Milani's 2-in-1 foundation, and I'll leave like my shade numbers in the description box. But yes, the lashes are from my local beauty supply, and these were like $3.99, $4.99 I think. Again, I have a clip of it. So yeah, and the highlighter that I'm wearing, or that wore off, was a mix of Gilded Honey. Is that the name? Gilded Honey? By Laura Geller. Gilded something. And Milani's Tantastic 001. Y'all know I freaking love the Tantastic highlighter. So yes, that is it. I'm so happy that this day is over with. Even though it's not like I'm glad it's over with. It's like just preparing for it and all the extra stuff. I'm glad it's over with. So yes, I'm laying it down. I am tired. I'm tired. I've been drinking 1800. Never mind. I'm tired and I'm tipsy. But yes, thank you guys for watching this video. I hope it helps somebody. Okay, so as far as like scents and whatnot, because it's graduation and I wanted to glow and not just have the highlight, I wanted to glow all over. And let me tell you, I was literally shining in the sun. Like I looked down, I was like, dang, like I'm straight shining. So I mixed Victoria's Secret's Luminous Perfecting Cream with my Now Solutions Sweet Almond Oil. Mixed that together and I was shining, like legs just bow in the sun. This, I want to say, is $18, and this is, for this size, probably like $10. So yeah, as far as scent goes, and this is not mine, this is my mom's. I went ahead and borrowed it because I just knew already like a while ago that I wanted to smell like this on graduation. I just wanted to smell rich. This is the Elizabeth James Nirvana White. This smells so freaking good. Bought this for her, I think like Mother's Day or Christmas or something. I need to get myself a bottle. Like this stuff is amazeballs. Like it just smells so good. It's like the perfect hint of warm scents and like sweet scents and citrusy but still not overbearing. Like you have to smell this for yourself. This is Elizabeth James Nirvana White. But yes, congratulations to all the 2018 graduates, whether it's bachelor's, master's, junior college, high school, pre-K, whatever. We are getting it in. Okay, and big shout out to the women, because there are more women in school than men. Sorry guys, girl power. So congrats to you ladies. Hope to see you at the top. It is room for all of us, and I'm just so happy that I went ahead and did this now. I can't believe it. Like, here comes my little emotional moment. I'm just so surprised at how fast time went. Like, I knew time would be fast, like go fast, but I was just sitting talking about how I was about to start school, and then I started school, and then I was complaining about school and my professors and the work, and now I'm done. Like I literally have 2 classes left. Next week I'm done. I have 2 finals. One, my professor said don't study for it because he goes off of presentation and paper. So I still have to write his paper, a strategic plan. And then I have another final that I actually need to like make my notes for it, but I don't necessarily have to study for it. So this week that I'm in right now, this past Tuesday I had a presentation. This past Wednesday I had a presentation. And also I had a paper, a research proposal. So I had a research proposal, 2 presentations to do in 1 week, plus get ready for graduation, plus I still went to work. The only day that I took off was yesterday, which was Friday, and it's just because that last minute stuff can really add up and time can go like that. That's why I didn't go to sleep till like 1:30 this morning and then woke up at 5:30 and still was running late, but whatever. But yes, I'm so optimistic that I will find something in my field, and I'm just praying, and I'm just super excited, and I'm just happy to be done. Like, I want my summer to myself. Like, I feel like I'm coming into like this phase of it'll work out. Like I've always said, like whatever, you know, whatever will be, you know, que sera, sera. But now it's like, I know whatever will be, but something good is going to come from it. Like these life lessons, I'm just feeling like this positive kick, and I want to keep riding that wave. So yes, like, I'm just so happy to be done. Like, I'm about to write this paper and just be done. Make my notes and just chill out. I know my eye is red. My allergies. I've been sneezing, coughing. I was coughing during the graduation. They was probably looking at me because I kept doing this. They'll be alright. Yes, I'm done. I'm like pretty much done. And I'm so excited.